Tay's salary due to budget cuts decreases by 6%. His salary after the decrease is 244,000 Thai baht. Work out Tay's salary before the decrease, giving your answer correct to the nearest Thai baht. So the multiplier for a 6% decrease is equal to 1 minus 0.06. That's 100% minus 6%, which is 0.94. Right, now you need to set up the problem. If you let the salary before the increase be X, then 0.94 times X, because that X gets decreased by 6%, will be equal to his present salary, which is 244,000 baht. So this is a reverse percentage problem. In order to find X, we will have to do 244,000 divided by 0.94, which gives me 259,574.468, which is 259,574 Thai baht to the nearest Thai baht. Notice this figure is bigger than his present salary because it's decreased. Okay, so it's been a video to show you how to do a reverse percentage problem. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.